Hello, I'm Pastor Joe, and I want to welcome you to the Parson's Bench Workshop. You know, sometimes I just want a quick and easy project. I just want something I can get out here and I can do and knock it out in a hurry just because I want to do something. So I'm going to do a little scroll saw project today. This comes from the spring of 2022 issue of Scroll Saw Woodworking and Crafts, and it is a sculpture puzzle called Man's Best Friend. So it's just 3/4 inch material. I'm using walnut and I think maple, and we're just going to knock this out just because it's a hot afternoon and I just want to make some sawdust. So come along for the journey. Alright, I'm going to be cutting this using a number 7 Pegasus modified geometry blade. It's 3/4 inch material. Okay, I got this flapper sander wheel in my drill press. It is 180 grit, and I use it just to kind of slightly soften the edges and take off some of the kind of fuzzies that will be oftentimes on the edge. This one's pretty good, but we'll go ahead and run these through there just to be sure they're as smooth as can be. Alright, so it doesn't take a whole lot of sanding on these really, but it just kind of knocks off a little bit of the harsh edge and any kind of loose fuzzies that may be there. But it gets them ready, so now we can put on some clear spray finish. So we're going to let these dry about a half an hour, then we'll lightly sand it just to smooth it up and put at least one more coat on, and then it will be done. Okay, so this little project is done, and it came out pretty well, and I'll tell you what, it was just what I was looking for. This wasn't a difficult project. I pretty much had the wood all ready to go. I just had to kind of cut it to size. There are times that, I don't know about you, but I just want to get out in the shop and do a little something. This was late afternoon, a hot late afternoon, and it allowed me to get out and make a little bit of sawdust, kind of clear my head from the stresses of life and all of that. And sometimes that's just the perfect recipe. It doesn't have to be a big project. Sometimes those small ones can be so meaningful in their own way and important. So I do thank you for joining me and watching this video, and I hope that in some way it will inspire you to get out in your own shop and make some sawdust.